Welcome back, truck fans and hard-working road warriors. Today we're diving into the 2026 Ford F-150. America's best-selling truck just got smarter, stronger, and more versatile than ever. Whether you use your F-150 for work, weekend adventures, or daily driving, this latest generation is designed to do it all, and then some. In this video, we'll take a full walk around and dive deep into everything that makes the 2026 model a benchmark in the full-size pickup segment. Body panels. The 2026 F-150 keeps its iconic silhouette but brings a refined toughness with reshaped body panels that balance aerodynamics and durability. High-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy still makes up most of the body, helping reduce weight without sacrificing strength. The lines are bolder and cleaner now, especially around the wheel arches and door profiles, offering a muscular stance while improving wind flow for better fuel efficiency. Optional off-road packages come with even more rugged cladding, skid plates, and flared fenders to take on challenging terrain with confidence. Headlights. Ford has reimagined the F-150's front lighting with updated C-clamp LED headlamps that are slimmer, brighter, and more efficient. These adaptive headlights automatically adjust their intensity based on ambient light and traffic, giving you the best visibility whether you're out on the job at dawn or heading home after dark. On higher trims, you also get dynamic bending headlights that follow the curves of the road for safer nighttime driving. Taillights. Out back, the taillights have also been redesigned with more pronounced LED elements that improve visibility and give the truck a modern signature look. The lighting sequence for turn signals and brake lights adds a premium touch. Plus, these taillights are integrated into a smarter tailgate system that now includes available sensors for tailgate step deployment, proximity warnings, and power open, close functionality, making loading and unloading easier than ever. Grille. One of the most noticeable changes on the 2026 F-150 is the grille. It's bolder and wider, with new mesh and bar designs depending on the trim level, from rugged blackout grilles on off-road models to chrome-heavy finishes on luxury variants. But it's not just for looks. Active grille shutters open and close based on engine cooling needs, helping improve aerodynamics and reduce drag when cruising. The grille is also home to an integrated forward-facing camera and radar units for advanced driver assistance systems. Seats. Inside the cabin, comfort has taken a serious step up. The seats in the 2026 F-150 are available in a range of durable materials, from work-grade vinyl to buttery soft leather, and now come with improved bolstering and cushioning. Ford's available Max Recline front seats can fold nearly flat, turning the interior into a rest area between shifts or during long hauls. Both front and rear seats offer heating and ventilation options, and crew cab models feature expansive rear seat legroom, perfect for passenger comfort or interior storage. Dashboard. The dashboard layout in the new F-150 has been streamlined for clarity and utility. High-quality materials wrap around the dash, including real wood accents and brushed aluminum on higher trims. A new, fully digital 12-inch gauge cluster is standard across most trims, with real-time vehicle data, towing information, and off-road metrics at your fingertips. The dash layout centers everything around the driver, keeping controls within easy reach without feeling cluttered. Infotainment system. At the heart of the cabin is Ford's Sync 5 infotainment system, displayed on a stunning 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen available in upper trims. The interface is quick, intuitive, and now supports enhanced voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and multitasking through split-screen capability. With built-in cloud-based navigation, weather forecasts, and even trailer connection assistance, This system turns your truck into a mobile command center. Over-the-air software updates keep everything fresh, and an available Bang & Olufsen sound system turns your drive into a premium listening experience. Steering wheel. The steering wheel in the 2026 F-150 is more functional than ever. Wrapped in soft leather or rugged urethane, depending on the trim, it includes integrated buttons for audio, phone, cruise control, and the digital instrument cluster. New touch-sensitive controls are more responsive and easier to use on the go. Heated steering is available, and the wheel is now equipped with a capacitive sensor for the hands-on detection required in semi-autonomous driving modes. Engine. Ford continues to offer a range of engine options to suit every need. You've got the trusty 3.3-liter V6 for basic tasks, a powerful 5.0-liter V8 for heavy hauling, and twin turbocharged EcoBoost V6 engines for a balance of power and efficiency. Horsepower ranges from 290 up to over 400, depending on configuration. Each engine is mated to Ford's refined 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifts and excellent towing power. With proper equipment, the F-150 can tow up to 14,000 pounds and carry a payload of over 3,300 pounds, making it one of the most capable trucks in its class. Hybrid option. The 2026 F-150 also continues with its Power Boost hybrid option, a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with a 35 kW electric motor. This setup produces an impressive 430 horsepower and 570 pounds-to-feet of torque, offering best-in-class torque and remarkable fuel economy. But it's more than just performance. The hybrid also powers the available Power Onboard generator system, which provides up to 7.2 kilowatts of power, enough to run tools, appliances, or even a home during outages. It's a game-changer for both work sites and weekend camping trips. Airbags. Safety is a cornerstone of the 2026 F-150, and the airbag system has been upgraded accordingly. Standard across all trims are dual front, side impact, curtain, and driver knee airbags. Advanced sensors adjust deployment based on the severity of a collision and occupant size. Combined with Ford's high-strength steel frame and crumple zone engineering, the F-150 offers top-tier crash protection, earning high ratings in government and independent crash tests. Parking assist. Despite its size, the F-150 is easier than ever to maneuver thanks to a suite of parking aids. The truck features a 360-degree camera system, active park assist, and rear cross-traffic alert. You can even use the available Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which lets you steer your trailer with a simple knob while the truck does the hard work. And with automatic reverse braking, it can detect obstacles and apply the brakes if you're about to back into something. Price. As for pricing, the 2026 Ford F-150 remains competitive. The base XL trim starts around $38,000, making it accessible for work fleets and budget buyers. Mid-level trims like the XLT and Lariat range from $47,000 to $60,000, depending on equipment. High-end trims like the King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited can push well over $75,000 with all the luxury options. The Power Boost hybrid models start in the mid-$50,000s, while fully loaded hybrid trims with generator packages and advanced tech can climb past $80,000. But for that price, you're getting unmatched versatility, capability, and comfort. And there you have a complete breakdown of the 2026 Ford F-150, a truck that doesn't just raise the bar, it is the bar. Whether you're hauling tools, towing a trailer, or just cruising with the family, the F-150 delivers power, innovation, and durability like no other. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up.